Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just got a quickie question. I'm down here in my radio room. I've got my RSP DX SDR radio running on using my Megaloop antenna. It's almost 6 a.m. in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and I was wondering if this is Radio Japan at 9.750. That's what it's listed as, and of course that's quite a distance from me around the world, and typically I can get that area of the world this time of the day, and I was hoping to get China Radio, which is up here, listed up here, but I don't hear them. And maybe it's because this Radio Japan is stronger, or the China Radio is no longer broadcasting on 9570. So I'm asking you if you understand Japanese so I can get a confirmation this is Radio Japan. I'll let you listen to it right now. A few minutes ago, it was coming in perfect with no noise, but the noise level has moved up in the past 15 minutes, as you can see, and it's saying I got an overload. So let's cut the gain down to, it's got a star by 15, so let's try 15. Now let's listen. Music now. Yeah, I'm losing the signal. Like I say, before it was perfect. Let me go back up and gain a little bit. Go with tween here. And so I don't know if they're supposed to be broadcasting in Japanese right now, according to short-wave.info. Right here, Japanese from 755 to 1400 UTC, which it is right now. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.